yourself, and I am here in Austin, Texas at the FOMO Factory. It is an interactively designed house filled with all of your Instagram dreams. Let's check it out. Travel yourself. So we're in the first major room. This is the Cupcake and Cake Room, and it smells like cupcakes and cakes. It is so cool. And listen to this music. Avril Lavigne, a lot of old school happening. So much fun. This is a magnetic wall. Here's color-coded toys. There's even a Mr. Potato Head and a Barbie. That's creepy, Amanda. This is like the Saved by the Bell room, kind of. It's very Kelly Kapowski-y 90s happening. There's a whole locker full of notes, the Lennon jacket, school desk, a lot of origami, and MASH. You can't be a 90s kid without some MASH. We are now in the outside area. This is a very 80s up in here. Look at these tapes. It's great. Playground or summer vacation. Let's check out the playground. There is a beautiful seesaw swing set, and up above a parachute. And this section's sponsored by, of course, Lime, because they're everywhere in this city. Do you like pina coladas? The last room is called Summer Vacation, and it smells like pina coladas. They're not serving us pina coladas, but they are serving us a whole lot of Snapple. There is a fun ball pit. You can relax in some lounge chairs or conquer the sand castle, grab a Snapple at the bar, or enjoy the gift shop. When you come into the FOMO Factory, you have to leave all of the adults at the door and become a kid, and that includes picking your favorite nickname. And here are some of the humorous ones that other people have chosen. Left the FOMO Factory. Typically people spend an hour to hour and a half in there. We spent at least 2 hours. What did you think of it?
It was really, really fun. Like, you feel like a kid again.
Yeah, and And you got to play in a ball pit, which I was kind of afraid of. We got to jump out of a cake. What else did we get to do?
Play with giant cupcakes and giant bubbles and take a prom picture.
And we got free Snapple. It was great.
And free ice cream.
You definitely have to check out the FOMO Factory if you're in Austin.